Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something small but deadly, something that can look harmless, something we've all used at some point, something as light as a feather, yet heavy enough to crush a destiny. Lies. Those tiny little sentences that can completely derail a life. And to show you how serious this is, let's rewind way back to the first lie recorded in history. So picture this: the Garden of Eden. Everything perfect, no traffic, no bills, no heartbreak, just vibes. God gives Adam and Eve one instruction: do not eat from that tree. Enter the serpent with the OG manipulative lie: you won't die. God is just holding out on you. One lie. Just one. But that lie shifted humanity's entire destiny. It caused separation from God, pain entering the world, hard labor, and basically the reason why Mondays exist. A single lie redirected the course of all humanity. That's how powerful deception is. And before we judge Adam and Eve, honestly, how many times have we believed a lie because it sounded good? Let's bring it closer home with these 4 examples. Number 1, the one small resume lie. You claim you know Excel. Job says, great, you'll be training the whole team. And now, your whole destiny has entered stress mode because of one ticked box. Not only can that lie cost you the job, but it can ruin your reputation, which is way harder to rebuild than a resume. Number 2, the lie you tell yourself. Sometimes the biggest damage doesn't come from lies told to us, but lies we tell ourselves. I'm not good enough. People like me never succeed. I'm always going to fail. This is just who I am. These lies shape your decisions. Your decisions shape your habits. Your habits shape your life. Your life becomes your destiny. A lie believed long enough starts looking like the truth. Number 3, the relationship lie. A person cheats, lies, hides it for months. But here's one thing about lies: they don't stay small. They grow legs. They multiply. And eventually, they blow up. The lie breaks trust. Trust breaks the relationship. The broken relationship alters the course of both people's lives. One lie, a lifetime of consequences. Number 4, the gossip lie. Someone tells a lie about another person, maybe out of jealousy or anger. Next thing, relationships break. Reputations are destroyed. Opportunities are lost. People are judged over something that was never true. The person may recover, but the damage, it can echo for years, all because someone couldn't control their tongue. Lies don't work alone. They are like mosquitoes. You never find just one. A lie forces you to create another lie to cover the first lie, and another one to cover the second, until your entire life becomes a maze built on shaky foundations. And like every shaky structure, it eventually collapses. Here's how lies actually shift your destiny. They destroy trust. And without trust, you lose relationships, opportunities, and support systems. They distort reality. You can't fix what you won't face. They block growth. You can't evolve if you're busy maintaining a false version of yourself. They create long-term consequences. Adam and Eve didn't see the immediate fallout, but the consequences lasted generations. Lies don't just affect your present, they echo into your future. The antidote? Truth. The good news: truth might be hard, but it's freeing, it's stabilizing, it's destiny protecting. Telling the truth helps you build trust. It attracts healthier relationships. It gives you peace. It keeps your path clear. It protects your dignity. Truth may cost you something now, but lies will cost you everything later. So, what's the takeaway? A lie may look small. It may look harmless. It may even look helpful in the moment. But just like the serpent words in Eden, one lie can completely redirect your destiny. Choose truth. Choose integrity. Choose the version of your life where you don't have to run from your own words. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message today. See you in the next one. Bye.